Lesson 3rd. Noun. Nouns are words that are used to identify people, places, things or action or abstract idea. In other words, naming word is called a noun. A proper noun should always begin with a capital letter. Do not use a capital letter for a common noun unless it starts a sentence. Some examples of nouns are Ashish, zebra, house, Delhi, water, beauty, etc. Proper nouns are the names of individual people, places or things. Common nouns name members of a class or group of entities. Properties of nouns. The nouns have 4 properties: case, gender, number, person. First, case. The role of the noun in the sentence is known as case. Noun cases are the means by which writers show how nouns or pronouns relate to other words in a sentence. Kinds of cases. There are 5 main noun cases: nominative case, subjective case, objective case, accusative case, possessive case, genitive case, dative case, vocative case. First, nominative case, subjective case. A noun is said to be in the nominative case if it is the subject of a verb. Let's read some examples. Priya is an intelligent girl. The painter paints the portraits. Second, objective case, accusative case. Nouns are said to be in objective cases if nouns appear as a direct or indirect object or it appears as an object of a preposition. Let's read some examples. I met your uncle. The pen is on the chair. Possessive case. A noun is said to be in possessive case when it shows ownership. Let's read some examples. It is Misha's idea. Arti's sister has been hospitalized. Dative case. If noun is the indirect object of a verb, it is said to be in dative case. Let's read some examples. The mother gave the children few cakes. The postman brought Mrs. Sharma a letter. Vocative case. The vocative case is used to indicate when a person is being addressed directly. Let's read some examples. Parth, give me the pen. Afzal, get off my lawn. Formative of the possessive case. Singular nouns form their possessive case by adding s to the singular. The girl's cat. My mother's office. Only the first trophy without s is added if the noun contains too many hyphen sounds or ends in s or double s. For goodness sake, for God's sake, plural nouns ending in s form their possessive case by adding only a first trophy. Girls' school, boys' hostel. Plural nouns that do not end in s form the possessive case by adding s. Kids' books, women's club. Case in apposition. Apposition means placing near. When one noun follows another to describe it, the noun which follows is said to be in opposition to the noun which comes before it. A noun in opposition is in the same case as the noun which it explains. Read the following examples. Ronak, our captain, made 60 runs. In the above sentence, Ronak and our captain are one and the same person. The noun captain follows the noun Ronak simply to explain which Ronak is referred to. The noun captain is in opposition to the nominative case because Ronak is the nominative case. The noun gender. The noun gender tells us about the sex of the noun. There are 4 genders. Masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Let's read some examples. Boy, lion, king, ox, dog, etc. are the examples of masculine gender. Feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female is said to be of feminine gender. Let's read some examples. Girl, lioness, queen, cow, bitch, etc. are the examples of feminine gender. Common gender. A noun that refers to either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. Let's read some examples. Child, student, friend, pupil, etc. are the examples of common gender. Neuter gender. A noun that donates a lifeless thing is called neuter gender. It refers to a member of a species which is neither male nor a female. Let's read some examples. Computer, tree, stars, pens, pencils, books, etc. are the examples of neuter gender. Third, the noun number. The mode of indicating whether we are speaking of one thing or of more than one thing is known as number. Numbers are of two kinds, singular and plural. When we speak about one person or thing, it is called singular number. When we speak about more than one person or thing, it is called plural number. Let's read some examples. A table is made of wood, singular number. Tables are made of wood, plural number. Some special cases. Few nouns which ends in s are used in singular forms. Example, politics, physics. A few collective nouns, though they are in singular forms, are used in plural forms. Example, cattle, people. Some nouns have the same form as singulars and plurals. Example, fish, sheep, deer. Few nouns are used only in plural forms. Scissors, thanks, socks. Noun, person. Person describes the verbs and pronouns that refer to the different in a conversation. There are three persons. First person refers to the person speaking. Second person refers to the person being spoken to. Third person refers to another person or thing being spoken about. We, the leaders, will decide. First person. Soldiers, you, pay attention. Second person. We will carry all the soldiers. Third person.